In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a curry with a karahi tarka base. So you can use this with all types of veg, chicken and meat. I love chicken, so we're going to be going with chicken today. First and foremost, let's get the pan nice and hot. Add a drizzle of vegetable oil in there. You want to get that pan nice and hot and add about half a kilo of diced chicken, and you want to stir fry that until the chicken is sealed. So that is nicely sealed. Add a little bit of water to the jar, about a quarter of a jar. Stir that well, give that a good mix, let it come to the boil, and I'm going to pop the lid on that and let it simmer through for about 7 or 8 minutes. Now this is optional, you don't have to add this to the dish. That's been simmering for about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to add my tomatoes at this point. Okay, so we're just going to let that simmer through again for another 5 or 6 minutes and then it'll be done. So if you like your curry to have quite a bit of sauce, that's probably good enough now. I like it a little bit thicker, so I like to let it simmer through for a little bit longer. All right, so while that's finishing off, I'm going to get my rice. Lovely chicken karahi. Top it off with some fresh coriander. Lovely homemade chicken karahi served with pilau rice.